Hi, I'm Bob from All New. Today I'm going to show you how to use the yellow microfiber towel. The first method is we're going to pour, and then the second method is we could use the paint tray and we can dip. So the first step before we put the liquid on is we just want to fold it in a specific way. So I like to just fold it in half. Fold it in half one more time. And then a third fold. The goal, what we're looking for in wetting the towel, is we want to just pour, use it pretty liberally. You can see I spilled a little bit, and that's why I have the paint tray out. But I'm going to get the product on, and then I'm going to squeeze together so that I have a nice uniform wet surface, and then I'm going to be ready to clean the table. So the second technique that I'm going to show you, we're going to pour just a little bit of the liquid into the bottom of a paint tray. We're going to dip a corner. And then the other half. So we've soaked up the liquid into the yellow towel. We squeeze it to distribute it across the towel. And now we're ready to clean. Thank you for watching. For more tips and techniques on all the all new products and applications, visit us online.